button entering sleep mode. If you need me, just say Lisa.
Lisa.
Hey there, could I?
What is the temperature?
The temperature is 34 degrees Fahrenheit. The current is currently at 37 degrees Celsius.
What is the humidity?
The humidity is 44%. The air quality is excellent. No issues detected.
Rotate the motor by 30 degrees.
Low confidence in command or target.
Turn on the big light.
The big lights turned on successfully. Heating to the set temperature. No.
What is the gas level?
The US rate is 0. Successfully set the Me level. :
What is the gas level?